Hi first graders, welcome to Unit 4, Week 5, Day 4. Okay, so since this is the fourth day, I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, monkey. Oh, I need a better. Monkey. 3, 2, 1, bathtub. 3, 2, 1, musty. 3, 2, 1, daylight. 3, 2, 1, volley. 3, 2, 1, notebook. 3, 2, 1, funny. 3, 2, 1, anthill. 3, 2, 1, baby. 3, 2, 1, seashell. Okay, let's read this together. Baggy. Baggy. Change the a to a. Buggy. Change the g to d. Buddy. Change the d to n. Bunny. Change the b to s. Sunny. Change the s to f. Funny. Change the n to s. Fussy. Change the s to z. Fuzzy. Get rid of the e sound. The e sound. Fuzz. Change the to I. Fizz. Change the z to sh. Fish. Put an e sound at the end. Fish. E. Okay, that was kind of fun. Okay, 5 times. Found, 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 found. We found our lost dog. Hard, 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 hard. It is not hard to write your name. Right, 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 right. It is not hard to write your name. Woman, 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 woman. That woman lives near the school. Near, 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 near. That woman lives near the school. Wood, 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 wood. Would you like to play with us? Okay, here's our story for today. Let's go ahead and read the title together. Study with animals. So think in your head, do you think this is fiction or nonfiction? If you said nonfiction, you're right, because these are real pictures of seals. Okay, here's some words we'll see. 3, 2, 1, what? 3, 2, 1, how? 3, 2, 1, they. 3, 2, 1, live. 3, 2, 1, near. 3, 2, 1, people. And just quickly a review before we read the story. Bike. Look at your 3 choices. 3, 2, 1. If you said C, you're correct. And this is a slide. Go ahead and look at your 3 choices. And 3, 2, 1. B would be correct. Okay, here's our story. How fun. It looks like we're learning about lots of animals. Okay, so we'll do this part, the top together, and then you can read the bottom. Study with animals. Okay, your turn first. Ready, begin. Ready, begin. What can be easy for animals can be hard for us. That is a key to why animals can help us. We can study how they live. Okay, ready? Your turn. Ready? Begin. Ready? Begin. We cannot dive really deep in the sea, but seals can. So we place a device on seals to check the sea. It sends back facts. The facts help us study the sea. Okay, oh, here's a bat. Okay, your turn first. Ready? Begin. Okay, ready? Begin. Bats can help too. Bats eat up flies near ranches, so like farms. They hunt bugs that would eat up crops. People write about the ways bats fly. Bats fly to places with no light. Studying bats may help people who cannot see. And just remember, we would never pick up a wild bat, just because they might have germs. Okay, ready? Your turn first. Ready? Begin. Ready? Begin. Dogs can smell quite well. That makes it handy for sniffing out wildlife that needs help. Dogs look in grassy hills and valleys. Dogs have found animals that are not easy to locate. This helps people keep track of them. Okay, that was great. We have a lot of animal friends who help us. So remember, this is a compound word. Let's read it. Footprint. And footprint is two different words stuck together to make a new word. So footprint, footprint. Okay, let's read a couple more of these. Homemade. Homemade, homemade. Compound word. Next one, sunshine. Here we go. Sunshine, sunshine. Meat loaf. Meat loaf, meatloaf. Pig pen. Pig pen, pig pen. And then last one for this part, bath robe. Bath robe, bathrobe. Okay, very nice, everyone. Okay, so last we're going to talk about adverbs. And remember, this week we've been learning that adverbs tell us when something happens. So I'm going to read the 3 sentences, one at a time, and give you 3 seconds to think of the adverb. Remember, an adverb tells when something happens. Okay, ready? First, I get out the cookbook. 3, 2, 1. First would be my adverb because that tells me when it happened. Okay, next. Then I get out the eggs and a bowl. 3, 2, 1. Then is an adverb because it tells me when. Okay, our last one today. Soon we will have pancakes. 3, 2, 1. My adverb is soon. Soon tells me that it will be happening soon. Okay, everyone, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.